Let me show you how to log out of all devices on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok and you see a suspicious device, you can always log it out or log out of every single other device if you suspect somebody might be logged in. I'll show you how to do that. Let's first just open up the TikTok app here. I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the same steps on Android. Let's tap on Profile at the bottom right. And then we'll get to your settings by tapping on those three lines at the very top right, and then choosing Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, you'll be able to see midway down under Account, we're going to choose Security and Permissions. And then you can see Manage Devices. This will show you all of the current devices that are logged in. If you see anything suspicious on here, you can always remove it. And I'll show you how to do that. Just tap on the little trash can icon right next to it and hit Remove Device. You can see my current device at the very top. So I'm going to log out of all of the other devices on here. After you've done that, I would highly recommend going back out of here and maybe going to two-step verification and turning this on so that no one else can log into your account going forward. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.